Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to you, wherever you're watching us. This is Smart 24, where we drive your business, and you're watching financial markets. My name is Anthony Sebali, your host for this particular program. 24, of course, is a channel that has, of course, made a niche in business, especially here in Uganda, East Africa, and the continent as well. And we provide you with content ranging from various businesses and including the financial, money markets, and also commodity markets. And definitely we are pledging our honest support in giving you information regarding business. We're located at Plot 42, Nile Avenue, Kampala. And of course, you can find us on www.smart20.com. If you want to get more information. My name is Anthony once again, and I am your host. Welcome back from Smart Means Business, of course, where we usher you into the world of business. Now we are here to take you into a very special segment of financial markets as we look at the stocks as the week winds up. Of course, the markets open every Monday to Friday. That is the stock markets. From exactly 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and they close open again on Monday. So as we wind up the week, we would love to see who is finishing somewhere in the moderate performance, and also who is finishing off weak as we wind up this week. And definitely later on today on the program, we are going to be joined by Mr. John Were, who is from the Uganda Securities Exchange as an officer, who will be also enlightening us onto the performance of certain counters on the market, as well as giving you a chance to learn more about the stock market, and especially starters who would want to invest in the stock markets in Uganda. You're most welcome. Definitely, let's drive the market performance as of the close of the market yesterday, courtesy of the Uganda Securities Exchange. Definitely by the close of the market yesterday, we had about 5 gainers, and the gainers were led by Kenya Commercial Bank, cross-listed from the Nairobi Securities Exchange, who actually went up by 6% appreciation in price to a price of 1,337.37 Ugandan shillings. That is Kenya Commercial Bank. And definitely we are going to be seeing the details of the performance of this counter over the past couple of months, and we will be comparing with the aggregate performance right now of this particular counter. Remember, cross-listed companies, you invest on the exchange as a cross-listed entity. You have an opportunity to invest on the Uganda Securities Exchange on a counter that is listed also on the local domestic exchange in Nairobi. And definitely we'll be seeing the performance of this counter in particular since 2021, and seeing how it has performed. Next in line in the gaining side, we also had National Media Group. National Media Group here, as we can see on the screen, also gained by 4.58% to a price of 562.8. Now, National Media Group also was one of the companies that actually, saw some losses a couple of weeks ago, and it's one of the companies that is coming back kind of a certain period of lose, and we are seeing it at a price of 562.68 closing yesterday. Was a 4.58% appreciation, meaning people who bought shares probably yesterday but one are going to make a profit of about 4.58% of their investment. The beauty of the market. And then Centum Investment, you realize gainers, not all, actually all of the gainers are cross-listed companies from Kenya, meaning the counters there in Kenya have been improving quite well, making strong market as of recent. Centum Investment came in third place amongst the top gainers yesterday, and he gained by 4.39%. and he currently trades at 325.18. That is Centum Investment Company. If you remember, yesterday Centum began the day with the price of 311 Ugandan shillings, but by the close of the market, he was trading at 325.18. That is Centum Investment Company. And definitely we are also going to look into Centum and see what opportunities it's presenting to some of the people here in Uganda. Of course, not many people find it easy or convenient to invest in some of these foreign cross-listed markets or equities. And we will also be talking about that with Mr. John Wary later on the show. Equity Bank Limited also appreciated by 4.03% with a price of 1,407.50. Equity Bank yesterday was among the people who lost, but he came back strong at 4.03%. Showing that improvement over a 24-hour period. And also Equity Bank Limited is a cross company, and it's in Nairobi, based in Nairobi, but has subsidiaries in East Africa, across East Africa, like in Kenya and in Uganda as well. In fourth place, we had the airlines. Of course, as airlines grapple with oil prices, quite many airlines in Africa, and reports say that over 4 billion shillings losses have been made by African airlines in terms of jet fuel prices, and this has led to a hike in ticket prices, and we have seen quite many airlines being affected because they were recovering from the pandemic losses and then entered into the inflation period, and we have seen them suffer quite a hit when it comes to stock markets. But Kenya Airways, just of yesterday, was among the top gainers and came in fourth place at a 1.32% appreciation in price to a price of 122.10 Ugandan shillings. If you remember, yesterday he was trading at about 120.0 Ugandan shillings, and today he came back at 122, meaning that's about a gain of 2 shillings there for Kenya Airways. Jubilee Holdings Limited was another gainer who came in fifth place at a 0.82% increase in price, and he came out with a price of 8,102.4. Remember, these are figures from the close of the markets yesterday by 1 p.m. and the markets right now are open and business is moving, so things could change from this data as we are presenting them from the Uganda Securities Exchange. Those were the top gainers. On the losing side, we had only one company, and that was the Uganda Clays Limited, UCL, ticker name, and he went down by 2.09% to of 17.37%, unfortunately. But this is an opportunity for those who want to buy shares in Uganda Clays. The stocks are going down, and that is the exact time to be able to purchase yourself some. We are going into a short break, but when we return, we are returning with the performance of the Kenya Commercial Bank. How far has it come? What is the current market capitalization of Kenya Commercial Bank, and what opportunities has it offered, and what are the competitors of Kenya Commercial Bank on the market? We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere after this short break.